my friends, I bought this pack. This is how you can make your own super shrink keychains. Let's open it first and let's see what's inside. We have these shrink art films. I have 8, and they all ice creams and sweets, yummy yummy. 6 pencils, color pencils, and as you can see here, the keychains. I will make one. So I'm going to color this keychain with these very nice markers. So I will use it is neon markers. So we can check here. It's still not that much, very light one. As it's mentioned here, color this side. I went another layer here, make it a little bit darker for all the colors with pencil colors. I think if I use markers, like actual markers to color it, I think it will be better than this. So here I'm just going again for another layer. So this is the last look, final look, and that's how it's gonna be from the front side. I will cut the phone and make this hole here. As you can see, I will make a hole here to attach the keychain, the ring. But first, once we cut it, I will put it in the oven as the instructions saying here. In the oven, put it in the oven 170 Celsius. I will place the design. The rough side will be up on the tray for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will bring it to show you the final results. And this is here the final look after we put it. I put it in the oven for 2 minutes. So it goes from this size to this size. It's really big difference after when shrinking the film. It became like this. And here, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.